All right, everybody, Philip here, CQI Home Inspections. So what I want to talk to you guys about today is smoke detectors. So quite a few years ago, Maryland came out with a law. It actually started in rental properties saying that the smoke detectors had to be inside the bedrooms as well, regardless of what year the house was built. Later on, that moved over into residential properties, even if you own them, if it's not a rental. So basically, Maryland law says that smoke alarms, like you see behind me, have to be in the bedrooms, regardless. Okay. So a lot of people have retrofitted their houses over the years and put smoke alarms in the bedroom. Now, this isn't necessarily a home inspection issue, but this particular smoke alarm is in what I would call the wrong location. Now, once again, I'm not going to note it in my report because Maryland just says it has to be in the bedroom. Okay, so this is in the bedroom. But the idea behind a smoke alarm being in the bedroom is if a fire was to start inside the home, or inside, sorry, my bad, inside the bedroom, it would allow the occupant, if the door was shut, sorry, it would allow the occupant of the bedroom to know that a fire was actually in their room. Or on the other side of things, if the bedroom door was shut and a fire was on the hallway or in the hallway side of the house, it would kind of smoke would roll through the top of the door and allow the occupant to know that there was a fire on the other side of the door. So, with all this being said, this smoke alarm right here is kind of in the corner of their bedroom next to the window. Where we really want that smoke detector to be is right above this door right here. This is the door leading out of their bedroom. We want that smoke alarm right up there above the door. All right, guys, just a little info on smoke detectors. Philip, CQI.